My beautiful and amazing people, wonders they say it shall never end. The whole of Asaba, e don catch o. Ned Nwoko and the people of Anioma, no be small drama. Na im dey say e happen between them. Una know talk say June 12, wey be Democracy Day, wey dey talk about the insecurity wey dey happen for the country. Ipa dey concentrate more on the election wey im lose, wey im say e no gree say Okowa no win am, na im win Okowa. Not knowing say as dey dey drag dat matter dey go, dey drag am dey come, the communities and the world wey Ipa talk say na him win am, say no be Okowa win am, omo, dey say dey reconduct another election for that particular ward. Then those ward wey Ipa say e no gree, so dem redo another election. True true, it was now confirmed that the people of Anioma, those ward, they actually did not vote for Ipa because korokoro for im eye, they say they wan redo the election and he will be there, Okowa too will be there. Make it be say na for their eye, na the whole thing happen before im go come again with another one. Na im dem do o, they still vote Okowa instead of Ipa. Now wey Ipa dey very disappointed and pained, im come dey talk am say im no dey use im people dey play. Say im people remain im people and that he will continue to do anything humanly possible to make sure say he put a smile on their face. Say they have been standing for him before, that he knows that it was Okowa that came to manipulate them, joining force with him estranged wife and the mother. Say but im go prove to them say na im still dey in charge. Say on a very good day, they go gather the whole community together, call town crier, gather everybody, make them all gather for market square, make them talk this matter so that they go get the truth from am. Say but im dey very very sure say im people dey love am pass Okowa. Say no be Okowa wey vandalize their money, wey chop their money, wey do this, wey do that. Una know say Okowa na former governor of Delta State before this Governor Sheriff now. Okowa was their ex-governor. Now im come contest for senator this time around. And they say the same Okowa na im bin give Ipa the opportunity to become the senator. He first give am say make him go, so that he now go come this time around. You know say politics for Nigeria, na turn by turn. According to our president, he say na Emelo come, na my turn. So na turn by turn they do am. E come reach when he go give Okowa in own turn now, make he become the senator. Ipa no gree. Wey make am come comot from PDP, come APC. Say because APC promise am say if he join, they go give am automatic ticket. He no even need to suffer himself, campaign or do anything. He go get am automatically. Wey make am relax, dey fight Regina Daniel and im family. He no gree do, he no gree contest, he no gree do normal thing wey they do for election, wey they go communities, they share rice, they share for 5,000 and so on and so forth. All he hope is say whether people gather or they no gather, him go win. And wetin really scatter the whole thing, if to say Ipa and Regina Daniel matter no sacracum the whole social media, with the love and support wey they give Ipa from the very beginning when him and Regina Daniel started, there was 100% an assurance that he was coming back as a senator. But because of how the matter can take be and the approach to how he take handle am, can they arrest her family up and down, they use in power, they oppress her family. Now that one I can't discourage the whole family, can't make the family think and say, hey, omo, now so what they do for you, now so the whole village can't say, hey, couple with the one wey im do, where they thought say, where Regina Daniel confirm am by herself, even so what confirm and say, in they collect people land, they acquire and they achieve am, all in the name of say, it won't build factory to benefit the society, to benefit the community. At the end of the day, land, they no use am, they just fence am, put government property. They no gree use and do anything. When then the people come out say, please o, then they want to use their property that they gave it out before, thinking that he want to use it to do something meaningful that will benefit their children. But since they no wan use am, abeg, they wan use am. The people wey bin come dey drag the matter dey come, dey say dem kpapo some. Na im dey say after the June 12 dis thing democracy day wey president don come do im own announcement finish, na im dey say the youth of the Anioma and the Asaba youth, all of them put together, the ones wey dey don reach 18 years and above, they gather theirself, including their mothers. Na so they dey chant o. Nedi one day go, Nedi must go. We want Okowa. They dey march, they go the this thing square. Wetin they dey even dey call am? Make una remind me for the comment section. Then go the chambers where governor, everybody dey. Then go there finish. Now they go dey talk say them o, they have made up their mind that they don't want Ned Nwoko, that they want the former governor of Delta State. Now they say, we know, but what could be you people's reasons and wetin prompt this very protest? We una dey protest so. Wetin be the genesis of the protest? We want to know. Now they say, one, they start to. They say Ipa never come again for the second time. Im don dey arrest their people, most especially the ones wey come complain about land. Say as they speak up till now, Mazi so in family they still dey for inside Kirikiri. Wetin dem do? Say because dem go meet Ipa, say make him give them their land, say they wan use am. And so they start dey mention the Mazis dem wey dey for Kirikiri as a result of land wey they carry give Ipa. Say that one is not even be the major this thing. That the major reason why they gave Ipa that go ahead, they gave him that full support before, was because Regina Daniel is from their place and they really wanted her to be their first lady. They wanted her in everything because she has been so supportive. She has been giving them arms, any opportunity that comes, they always they remember them. They distribute things, they empower women, they empower men, farmers and all. So they really wanted her because they believe if they cannot get to Ipa, they can get to her, and she's doing well for herself. That as she's not there again, they see no reason why going further to give him the opportunity when they know to say another person there will promise them better. And that if they give Okowa a chance, for the fact say him been betrayed them before, he no go won't betray them again. So they want to give Okowa the opportunity. Say nothing like any election again. Maybe they don't redo another election. It shows that Ipa did not win. So that if they want to give him any appointment, it shouldn't be the one that he will supersede the affairs of the community. Say they don't want Ipa for anything again. Ye? Say they don't want Ipa o, na Okowa na they want. They now stated their reasons. Now they say the people say, no problem. What will happen is he has lost the election already. Even the words wey in talk say he win before, they don't check him. He no win. They genuinely did not vote for him. But this particular one where they carry come so, they will still pass it across. They will still send it to the top. Make the top people see, say no be them. Now the people wey in one serve, and then say they no want. That is, he has lost it totally. That even they don't even want they don't even want anybody to give Ipa. You know, say one thing with this government, once you are loyal, even if you no be senator again, you no do governor again, they fit look for one appointment carry give you. The people now they talk and say they don't even want any appointment wey go reach the one where they go talk say make him come supersede the affairs of the community. If they won't give her, you know, they won't give her. When they give her the one wey go dey for British, you know, say before he be senator representing the people of Anioma, say they don't want anyone like that again. They don't want anything wey go represent them. Make it represent another people. Say because they don't want that the oppression is too much. Say Okowa time shebi he chop the money, he enter house, he no use police, he no use anything. Come they take the kpakpo them. But Ipa own time, so he use oppression. They use and they oppress people wey be farmers, people wey be say they live from hand to mouth, wey be say they don't even get money to bail themselves. So okay, see all this mazi where they call like this so. all of them, they still dey there. They no even get money to bail themselves out. The ones wey still dey go court, they go dey answer wetin no loss, e still dey there o, they still dey go. And the court no be say na here own o, e far, they go dey do transport, every sitting they go go, every sitting they go go. Just the way dem do this other guy wey talk say Regina Daniel, abi na Shamsodion, I don forget that guy name, wey talk say Regina Daniel dey Nicodemus, na so dem do am o. Every court sitting e go go, every court sitting e go go. They dey adjourn the case, they dey suffer am, make him dey go dey come. Say, and these people na farmers dem be. How much wey dem don farm, how much wey dem get just to take survive, you carry dem go lock dem up. The ones wey be say you allow dem to go, but they will dey come every Eke market day. How would they survive? Where would they get money? They are tired already. Now they say no, they prefer person wey go even chop the money, leave them alone. That the person wey go come use power and influence, take on buy them throway. Say they no want again. Enough is enough. Even though they want to give, they no stop. May they no give them, may they no give am any position. No, they are not a indicious hindrance to him. They no stop. May they no give am position. But if they won't give am position, may they no give am anyone wey he go govern them. That they don't want his governing. Omo, na I say for the fact say they still go meet the upper chambers, come they call Regina Daniel inside this matter, shows that that girl, when she was there, she was not achieving anything, but she was achieving the people's heart. She was gaining the people's interest, as in she was gaining their love and all. Wey make I talk and say, Regina Daniel na pikin wey get big heart, wey God don create for something good, wey God don talk and say she is a destined child and a child indeed. She is a child to be emulated. If we dey talk, some people go say, e don do now, make una allow Regina Daniel rest. She no fit dey do good like this, you go come dey allow am rest. And this is just but an awareness for you to know that you don't do people bad and you expect God not to pay you in return. You don't take away people's happiness and expect God, say law of karma no go visit you. You collected this girl's this thing at the age of 17. You carry this girl, even though we say no wahala, na she carry herself enter. But for the fact say she sacrificed with you, even when people they call her names, say wetin she small girl like her, they go dey find for older men hand. She practically came out and told the whole world that she preferred them old. She defended you in every dragging, every drama put together. At least, if not for anything, for that particular time, she was able to defend you. She was able to stand with you. She was able to tell the world that she chose you. You are not supposed to have treated her the way you treated her. But you turn your back on her. Carry one big thing. Even if the girl, they do what you say she they do. Even if na hakuna she they do. Even if she they do all those things. Are you not supposed to cover her up? Cover everything up for peace to reign? For you to cover, for the sake of your children where they there? No, you carry her constant pull her for outside. She still try defend herself. You still stand, say lie. Tell me why the gods won't be mad at you. Tell me why won't the people scatter everywhere, say they no want. Omo, I say this protest no be small thing, no. No be small thing. June 12 was another day entirely. I say, oh, something like this even happened. Now we no know. Now we say they don't carry the matter enter upper chamber, where information centers scatter. As upper chamber see and say, omo, the people say they no want to. If they won't give am, make them give am, but make it no represent the people of Anioma or Aniocha or Aniodis. No agree at all. They no want again. Make him go represent another people. No be them. Say they no stop am. My people, I say he choke a pa, he hold am for neck, because now it is him against his people. They say good character is better than riches. No be lie. Now in character could not even get to his people. So truly, the people never voted him. They mean am, they no vote am at all. They wanted Okowa instead of him. My people, he choke. I say make I suffer, can't drop am for una as e dey hot o, so that una go know wetin dey sup. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm going to bring una latest. Make una help us share, like, for more like minds and more recommendations. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.